Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can use raw Accel in Valorant. So first and foremost, if you use raw Accel, you're already using it, so there's really nothing to it. But after you create your own profile of raw Accel, all you want to do is apply. Right after applying, just hop in the game and just play the game. That's about it, honestly. All you got to do is now play the game. If I go into the range or something like that, raw Accel is already running. I'm using raw Accel to play Valorant. Now raw Accel is not any sort of aim hack or anything like that. Raw Accel is just an application that dynamically changes your mouse's acceleration depending on the situation you're in. So sometimes it's gonna move too much, sometimes it's gonna move too little for the same direction. Now, me being me, I personally don't like raw Accel because I have a muscle memory built up, and my muscle memory is gonna get very much screwed if I do try to use raw Accel. So with that being said, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.